friends, welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is doing good. Today we are going to solve another popular SQL coding problem. It's on Leetcode 2669, count artist occurrences on Spotify ranking list. So another often like asked interview question. So we are going to understand this with some examples, and we'll also implement our SQL query solution to solve this coding problem. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to our channel now. Our channel focuses on helping people in their integration as well as teaching data structures and algorithmic paradigms. So let's start, guys. So Spotify table is given to us. It has three columns in it, right? ID is int, track name and artist both are varchars. ID is the primary key for this table. Each row contains ID, track name and artist. Write SQL query to find how many times each artist appeared on the Spotify ranking list. Okay. Return the result table having the artist name along with the corresponding number of occurrences ordered by occurrence count in descending order. If occurrences are equal, then it's ordered by artist name in ascending order. Okay. The query is in following example. So we have to write SQL query to find how many times each artist appeared on Spotify ranking list. Okay, so that's what the problem statement says. Let's understand this better with some examples. So you can see here there are 5 records given to us, and these are the track names of the song and these are the artist, right? So you can say that DJ Khalid has two occurrences here, right? 1 and 2 records for DJ Khalid, and Ed Sheeran also has a 2 records, correct? Ed Sheeran also has a 2 records. So in that case, there is a tie situation because both has 2 records. So we have to arrange the data based on artist name in ascending order. Okay, so DJ Khalid will come first, 2 occurrences. Ed Sheeran will come after that, 2 occurrences. Okay, and after that Sia has only 1 occurrence. You can see here. So Sia has 1 occurrence. Okay, so that's what we have to find out, right? So having artist name along with corresponding number of occurrences ordered by occurrence counting descending order. Basically, you can see that occurrence count is in descending order, right? 2, 2 and then 1. So that's what we want to do. So now I hope you understood this example clearly, right? So if you want to actually find out, let's say for artist DJ Khalid, how many records are there, or any artist, then what you have to do, you have to group these records based on the artist, right? And then you have to take the count, and then it will give you number of occurrences, basically, correct? So this is the basic logic we will use to write down the SQL query. So I'll directly go and show you the query. It's a very simple SQL query solution. So here you will see that select artist, count 1 as occurrences from Spotify table, right? Group by artist. This is very important that we are grouping by artist, right? And we are ordering this data by occurrences in descending order. So occurrences is the name of this count and it should be descending order, and artist ascending order. So artist in ascending order in case of a tie situation, correct? Right, you understood, right? In case of tie situation, it should be arranged with artist in ascending order, right? So this is how you can write down the simple MySQL query. So the important things to understand here is how we have used this count function and how we have grouped by using artist, right? And order by also clause is used here. So this is it, guys. So this is a simple SQL query solution. So if you apply this SQL query, then you will get a output like this, artist and occurrences, and you will get like this, basically, correct? So this is what I wanted to explain it to you guys. So these kind of questions are typical in the online coding test also, and even in in-person rounds of interviews, they will ask you to write these kind of SQL queries on a whiteboarding session. They will give you some tables and ask you to write these kind of queries. So make sure you know how the aggregate functions work. So what are the aggregate functions you should know? You should know average, sum, max, mean. So these are the mainly important one. Count, right? You should know group by clause. You should know having clause. Order by, you should know, right? So these are the main things you should know. Apart from that, you should know very well how joins work, like inner join, outer join, left outer join, right outer join. So everything you should know. This dead diff function you should know. Okay, so make sure you practice these kind of SQL queries. I have already posted some MySQL videos where I have shown you how to use example to create your own local database and insert data and practice some SQL queries. So make sure you check out from our channel. You will know that how to set up those things. Uh, if you like this MySQL query solution, then please give it a like for this video, subscribe to our channel now and click on the bell notification icon button so you won't miss any important postings from our channel. Share this video with all your friends so they will also watch and learn from these videos how to solve different coding problems that are asked in interviews. We have more than 600 solved coding problems. They are asked by big companies including Amazon, Apple, Microsoft, Google, Meta, Yahoo, and all these big companies. Okay, so the important playlist you should watch right away includes MySQL, graphs, matrices, binary trees, problems solved by using binary search, dynamic programming, recursion, memoization, how to use and apply DFS and BFS on graphs, matrices, and trees. There are important data structures related playlist also that we want to mention. Those are stacks, queues, priority queues, min heap, max heap, arrays, array list, linked list. So everything guys is here for you. So take advantage of those videos. Those are very important coding problems. So don't miss out on those videos. Okay, so go ahead, check out those playlists and tell us how you like that playlist and those problems. All important coding question varieties are here on this channel. If you are a Java consultant, we also have frequently asked telephonic interview questions to the Java developers and how to answer those questions. So make sure you search for those videos on this channel. You will find those videos as well. Uh, Share these videos as much as you can with your friends, and if you like this solution, then don't forget to give a like for our video, and thanks for watching this video. Have a great day ahead.